Hey YouTube, making a new channel about biking and all that stuff, and I figured I'd start off with a 2011 bike check and some footage later on. But okay, here it goes for the bike check. The frame I'm riding now is a 2010 DK Cyclone. Got a DK post. An animal, I don't even know what pivotal post it is, but it's pivotal. And I got a FBM pivotal seat. For now, unsealed DK cranks, but I got demolitions coming in the mail, so that's a plus. I got Odyssey glow-in-the-dark PC pedals, Eastern Joker version 1 stem, Eastern bars, got lizard skin donuts, Primo grips, there's the Primo, Colony bar ends, front rim is a Hoffman double wall, unsealed. I'm trying to find a different rim for it, but still got the demolition pegs, bullet valve caps, volume force, they fucking weigh like 2 pounds. Rear tire is a Kenda, I think. Yeah, 100 psi tire in the rear, and rear rim is an Eastern 2.9er. That's about it. But yeah, so peace out till next time, guys.